Hi guys and welcome back. Today we are going to do pusher for our stapler. Open new project and start to sketch on front plane. Create one central line and few lines. Later we will add some dimensions. Make one radius. Add few dimension. This will be 1 millimeter, 2 millimeters. This here is 0.25, 0.5, 74, add relation here collinear and add relation here equal. Also make this line vertical. Go in future, revolve both base, OK, and click OK. So this is our first part. Save it and create new part, front plane, make one rectangle, we'll add few dimension. This is here 4.5 and this here is 20. Go in future, extrude both base 11 millimeters. Click OK. Sketch on this surface. Make one rectangle here. Add few dimension. 1, 1, 6. And go extrude cut. Click OK. Other thing that we need to do is again sketch on this surface. This one rectangle again. This will be 3 millimeters, 4 millimeters. Add here 3.5 millimeters. And also this point has to be in horizontal position with this other point. Extrude both base 4 millimeters. Click OK. Now I will have to make some fillets. 0.5. Oops. Here, 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 and click OK. The next thing that we have to do is to sketch on this surface one rectangle, add few relations, my sketch is closed, add few relations, like I said, collinear, here 1 millimeter, extrude cut 3.5. Click OK. And just one more thing. sketch here, one circle. It has to be diameter 2 millimeters. Also from here to the center 2 millimeters, and these 2 points to be vertical. Extrude cut, click OK. Add red color for this part. Save, and we are going to sketch the other part now. New project. The next thing that we are going to do is the bottom slide housing, and we will create few lines first before we go in sheet metal. Now we will add few dimension. This will be 13, 14. Make these two lines equal and add one relation here, coincident. And we'll go now in sheet metal, both flange, and make sure that the sides are inside. Add radius 0.75, thick 1 millimeter is enough, and we'll add one more thing, direction 40 to one side and 40 to the other. Click OK. Next thing that we are going to do is to add few more things here, and that is edge flange on these two edges, this here and this here, and they have to be 5.5 millimeters. Radius is okay, and click OK. Just to make sure that we have the right dimension, I will measure these two things, that's okay, and these two, that's also okay. So I'm using measure or command V's in my options in Solidworks. Next thing is to cut a part of this slider here. So sketch and create lines. Make this line horizontal if you if you make it wrong like me. This here is 9 millimeters, and this here is 7.2, and this here is 67. Also make few lines here to close the contour, and extrude cut through all. Click OK. The next thing that we are going to do is to add few other things here, few sketches and few other things. So the first thing is one rectangle here that has to be 2 millimeters, and it will be 4 millimeter long, and it will start from here. So collinear these two, and click extruded cut and through all, and click OK. The next thing that we're going to do is go in sheet metal and add break corner. We'll make first 4 millimeters for this and this corner, but we need radius, and click OK. And the other corner will be 2 millimeters on the bottom side, and it will be also break corner 2 millimeters, this side and this side, and click OK. Now we will go to this side, to this surface, and we will sketch on this surface, and we need just to make one rectangle thing, and this rectangle thing will be in the center of the part, in the middle of the part, and add the relation between these points, and this will be 4 millimeters. Oh no, this will be 6 millimeters, this will be 4 millimeters, and we'll do extruded cut, click OK. And we need just one more thing from this side again, and use one circle, make one circle that will be in the center of the R4 radius and the radius corner, and this will be 3.1 millimeter. And also on this side we'll use one slot, straight slot, and okay, add few dimension, 20, and from here to here we need 5, and from here to here we need 1.5. Go to extrude cut through all, click OK. So we need to do few more things. So now I will add few more break corner. First I will need 0.5 for these two here, and I will need 1 millimeter for these corners here. Click OK. The next thing to do is to go on this surface and sketch on this surface here. I will need one rectangle, and it will be 7, or this side will be 5, and the other side will be 7 millimeters. And also from here to here I need 3.5. And the other thing that I will do is I will make one relation between these 2 points, and this will be vertical, and go extrude cut, click OK. Now I will go in sheet metal again, edge flange, click on this here edge and edit the edge, so I will make it inside, so to be possible to work, and this will be 0.5, also the other side will be 0.5. So okay, just drag the points and you will be able to edit everything. Finish with this thing, and I forgot to make one thing, and these have to be 5 millimeters, but from here. Okay, click OK. Just to make sure that everything is fine until now, I will make a flatten part. Yes, I want to make sure that this will work here. I don't want this side to come over this side here, or this part. So in that case, it won't be able to make flatten part from sheet metal. So the next thing that we have to do is one more rectangle, one more extrude cut, and sketch on this surface, and we can use center rectangle point. We can use that thing. Add two relations between these two lines, so vertical, and make a few dimensions, 5 millimeters, 4 millimeters. Okay, and use extrude cut. Click OK. The next thing, go in sheet metal, and we will use again edge flatten, and this edge here will be our point. This has to be 5 millimeters. Also from this point here, and we need to add offset. The offset will be 0.5 millimeters, and we need just to edit this sketch, and just drag these 2 points and add one dimension here that will be 0.5 millimeters, and also add one dimension from here to here, also that will be 0.5 millimeters, and finish. And that's it. Just to make sure that everything will work, again click flatten. Yes, everything works. So we can make this part on the laser machine, and we can bend the part, and it will be in full function. Go back. We need few more things to add here. So sketch on this here surface. Sketch, and one circle. It will be in center, vertical, and from here to here we need 2 millimeters, and this will be also 2 millimeters. And click extrude cut, and extruded cut, and use up to surface, and select this surface here, and click OK. The next thing that we have to do is sketch on this surface, create one circle, make one center line from here to here, make the center line 10 millimeters, and this circle will be 5 millimeters diameter, and we need one slot again. It will start from here, and it will go to here somewhere, and click OK. This point and this point has to be vertical, and this has to be 0.5, and this point and the circle will be coincident, and this will be 60 millimeters. And click extruded cut through all, and click OK. Good. One more time, flatten. Good. Looks fine. Close it. And to finish this part, we need just one more thing. I will sketch on the surface, and I will make a rectangle again, corner rectangle. So from here to here, and the other will be from here to here, and go in a extrude pose base, up to surface, select this surface here, click OK, and also I will add one more time corner breaking. I will break the corners 1 millimeter. So here, 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 and here. And I will click OK. So looks fine. And that's for today, and that's for this video. So we will continue tomorrow with making the pusher and the other things, and the other slider and other things for the stapler, and I think tomorrow we will finish this project and we will start with new one and with other project. Thanks for watching, click subscribe button and see ya.